guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ashley, and Natasha and I have just arrived to our designer Airbnb on the Sunshine Coast. This home is called the Arbutus Bluff. It is a 2-bedroom that sleeps 4 people. So come on in, let me give you a tour.
Let's see, what do we got? Is this the ceremony bar?
This is the sea salt bar. I'm really excited to have a little sample.
Game on!
This is my I'm gonna eat mushrooms and hike to the pub look.
Thank you, Ashley. Thank you.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So we can start again. And now that you know that I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
Tash treated the girls and made breakfast and coffee, so we're just gonna add a little rise and shine, just a scoop to get the day started. I lost a nail. How's your puzzle going?
Good-ish.
You made it so far.
Yeah.
1 row.
1 corner.
When everything is
And
blue.
1 bit of lightning.
Cabin vibes.
Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation. It's too late now.
We're here. Yeah. And we want to go to the top. Where's the top? Here. We want to go here. So we do red, blue, green, yellow. That's super complicated. Red, blue, yellow, green.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Let's do it. Okay.
Hike. Okay, Keith, you're the leader then.
Okay, what did I say? I said red, blue,
I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
Hello.
Perfect.
And I feel misunderstood, 'cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring.
Jar. It says leave a wish, want, and desire for yourself, someone you know, or the world, and let the fairies work their magic. That is so beautiful. Manifesting. Okay, so we're on our way down already.
Nice and easy hike, except for the last like 20 minutes up those stairs.
It was huffing and puffing. But this is a super easy hike if you want to go on it. It's called Somas Hill, and it was only probably about 30 minutes?
Yeah, even less, like 20 minutes from where we were.
20 minutes up.
Yeah, 3 minutes out of Gibson.
Easy peasy. What is a money oil?
Okay, it's a pheromone oil, and so like you rub it on different parts of your body, you set your intention, and these pheromone oils, they not only attract like your own energy, but the energy from the people around you.
No way.
So like you use the different pheromone oils to like attract what you want.
Yes.
Yeah. So like I used double luck and I used fast money luck.
Whoa.
And I'm winning the lotto at 7:30 tonight.
Yes, you are.
I am.
Yay.
I already know exactly what to spend money on.
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down.
Like clear my energy so they're picking it up.
Yeah, you are.
Yes. We just gotta
Okay, so this is prep to manifest a positive outcome with lottery tonight. Smells amazing.
Cause you got yourself into this. It's enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you are exactly where I want. Shut up, be left for me. Well, you're welcome, trying to find. But dear, don't you be surprised if I'm not here when you look behind. Guess I have my own destination.
Guys,
What?
I didn't win the 649.
Oh,
Shit.
Not this time.
Shit.
Okay. I really had 12 million in mind, so you know what? 11 million wasn't for me. I gotta wait till the 12 million is there. That's my number.
that's your number, girl.
First step, try to find a dark beach. Check. Second step, make sure it's dark out.
Check.
Check. You'll need good luck. Because of the wind.
It very well could be.
You see the Big Dipper? You might need to see it a little more dark.
I see nothing.
Oh yeah, see there's a handle, those 3 stars. See that handle? Boop, boop, boop. Oh. And then the dipper, it's just not.
Okay, this is how you make a bed. You fold a duvet in half on your side, and then you get in between. I'm very lucky because Tash doesn't like duvets. So Tash gets a sheet, and I get the full duvet, aka my sleeping bag. Glorious British Columbia. So here we are, we're just on the deck. It's our last night here tonight. It's absolutely beautiful. The Sunshine Coast is just this magical place. This is good though, this is like...
Oh, the poached egg is perfect. Wowzers. I need like a spoon dish.
Seriously, so what does this like even mean? These are like super high tech. Say that?
I'm sorry, my actions.
Enjoyed it. Let's go back to the city.
I'm no good at being good, but I never said I